Alright, so you don't need to tighten this one too much because just in case you want to unscrew it, if you tighten it too much, it's going to be a problem. Alright, so this is done right here. So we could do this bit here, which is going to be exactly the same thing. And again, if you feel like you want to put in some grease, you should. It's probably a good time to do that. There you go, this one came in really easily. And so hopefully it'll work in just as well. This part's always a little bit tricky to get it started, but once it's in, you've got your trusty little wrench here. And then that makes it really, really fast, so long as you don't make mistakes. And then gently push it in by hand.
Likey.